Hi, this is 12.3, Objective 3. What we're going to be doing in this section is solving exponential equations that have the same base. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is rewrite each side so that they have the same base. And I put some little hints on the side here that I'll kind of go over when I go through these examples. Then you simplify the exponents. Then you set the exponents equal to each other, and then you solve. And what we're using here is this property right here. If a of x is equal to a of k, then x has to be equal to k. So again, a has to be the same base. Okay, so the first thing I do when you look at both sides is try to think of what do these have as a common base. Both of them are bases of 5, because 25 is 5 squared and 125 is 5 cubed. So always try to look for the base first. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite each side. So instead of 25 right here, I'm going to put 5 squared. And then we have the x on the outside right there. And instead of 125, I'm going to put 5 cubed. Okay, now the rule of exponents, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 2x together. Okay, so at this point, now I can go ahead and set my exponents equal to each other. So I just get rid of, well, I don't really get rid of 5, but if this is true, then 2x is equal to 3. This has to go with this rule right here. So again, make sure each side has the same base, simplify the exponents. Now we're at the point where we set the exponents equal, and now we want to solve. So x is 3/2. So that'd be my answer for this one. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So again, you want to look at the left to the right-hand side and see what they have as a common base. And that would be 2. 4 actually doesn't work because you can't take 4 to a power and get 32. So it has to be 2. So you kind of have to play with that sometimes with your calculator. So on the left side, I'm going to rewrite that as 2 squared raised to the x power. Oops. Okay, so the 2 squared is the 4, and the x is on the outside. Instead of 32, I'm going to put 2 to the 5th. Okay, so I have them as the same base. Now what I want to do is simplify my exponents. So I'm going to write this as 2x. And then now I'm going to set my exponents equal to each other. So x is 5/2. Okay, I'm going to do these next two in the next video.